respected guests, all chief guests, my opponents, and my dear friends. Today I am standing before you in the affirmation of the motion that AI, the popularity of AI is not best for our nation and society. First of all, I want to ask you a question. How many jobs are we willing to add the sacrifice on the artificial intelligence? Let me tell you, according to the report of Fetchman, AI can replace 300 million full-time jobs globally. Do you listen? 300 full-time jobs. These data are so big. You know, the great Stephen Hawking warned that the full development of artificial intelligence could spell the human race. Now, I would like to grab your attention towards negative effects of AI. First up, job displacement due to automation. AI is replacing human workers from various sectors, from manufacturing to customer service, and this is increasing a gap between rich and the poor. The next one is national security risk. Now, the weapons are powered by AI, and it poses great risk to our nation. Because suppose a situation, if a missile is set on the other country and that goes to our country, then who will be responsible for that? You, me, the missile, who one? No one. I want to say that AI is giving us a society where problems will happen, mistakes will happen, but no one is responsible for that. The next one is manipulation and disinformation. AI can create really realistic videos, photos, and voices, and it used to big authorities like CEOs and their families to get large sum of money and some sensitive information. Let's some example. In 2022, Ukraine and Russian wartime, a deepfake video was spread went on social media that their President Vladimir Zelensky was saying to surrender Ukraine soldiers, but it was deepfake. Next example, many Bollywood actors like Rashmika Mandana, Amitabh Bachchan, and many more are victims of deepfakes. AI has no emotion and no feeling. It is demand what we choose today. Now, I want to say that AI has no feelings like human because AI is not biological. In conclusion, I want to say that my debate show how many risks from AI, job displacement due to automation and AI automation and manipulation, disinformation. So I want to ask you a question. Can we truly call something best which creates a national instability? No. AI is a part of our life. We cannot ignore it, but it is possible to be safe from education and technical awareness. I want to say that it is not possible to avoid completely AI, but we can be safe from various ways. Like, I want to ask you a question. If a child is hurt by a AI device car, then who will be responsible? No one. Who will be a culprit? No one. I want to say that a nation's greatness is known by its people wellness, not by machine efficiency. So, in last, I want to say, be alert.